Hello everyone and welcome again to the Great Dumbarton Bake Off. My name is Mary and I'm the Programs Manager for Dumbarton House. And this week, in honor of the unofficial start of summer, we are making an apple pie. As always, we are using our handy Williamsburg Art of Cookery. Our pie crust recipe is simply old. We don't know exactly the date. And the apple pie recipe that we're using is from 1787 from the London Art of Cookery. Beautiful. Here we go. So our recipe says to take the cores and peels from the apples and boil them with a fair amount of water and a slice of mace. Mace is very similar to nutmeg, so I sprinkled some ground nutmeg in there and I'm letting it boil. We're supposed to let it boil like this until it tastes good. So I'm going to give it a minute and we'll see what happens. Now that is a thing of beauty. Okay friends, so I'm waiting for this to boil so I can throw it on here and then add my top pie crust. But I have discovered that I have enough pie crust and enough apples to make at least another pie. So it's gonna be a 2-pie day, friends. Let's do it. This is yet another recipe that gives us almost no directions on how to bake the pie. So I'm putting it at 350 for 15 minutes and I'll check it after that. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see how it looks. It's coming along nicely. Probably gonna put a timer on for at least another 10 minutes. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Time to see if this apple pie is a good bake. This is hard to do one-handed. Okay, well we missed the whole bottom crust there, so I'm just gonna grab that. It is pretty runny. It's not sticking together super well, but we'll see if it tastes good. We're just gonna add that right there. Okay, so the bottom, I mean, that's not bad. It's not too soggy considering how much liquid is in there. And now, we're just gonna grab quick dollop of ice cream there. Oh, that's beautiful. And now, for the most important test, the taste test. And now, for the most important test, the taste test. Come here. Okay, there it is. Look at that beautiful bite. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That is delightful. Ooh! That's very nice. Because I don't like apple pie. Never have. And I'm going in for a second bite. They know how to make apple pie in 1787. Woo! That's good. Okay friends, it's time for the final confessional on the apple pie. I am so happy that I made this and honored our unofficial start of summer and a Memorial Day weekend with this wonderful apple pie. I really have never liked apple pie. It's not my favorite pie. It's not something that I have ever made before. This recipe was a little tricky, and I'm going to give you all my tips and tricks in the recipe, but it was so delicious. The most difficult part was definitely timing everything. It took a really long time for the syrup to boil so I could pour it on top of everything and then bake it. So if you can coordinate everything with good timing, you'll be good to go, because this is truly delicious, and I'm gonna eat a lot of it, which I wasn't expecting. I was planning to give all of the pie away. So this is a great outcome. Thank you all for watching. And for the next couple weeks, you're going to be having guest bakers, other staff members from Dumbarton House. They'll be baking things for us. And you'll see me again in a few weeks. Bye.